Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools traffic platform, which is SEO Ranking and Ranktracker. So to get started with the in-depth comparison, the SEO Ranking in 2025 stands out as a full SEO platform that goes beyond rank tracking. It offers a deep keyword research, backlink monitoring, site audit, competitors analysis, and white label reporting, all in one intuitive dashboard. Agencies and growing businesses appreciate how it combines accurate data with automation, letting them manage multiple projects and scale campaigns without juggling separate tools. Ranktracker, meanwhile, focus on simplicity and affordability. It delivers precise rank monitoring, keyword suggestions, and a quick SEO report that are easy to understand. Similar teams and solo marketers value how fast they can track progress without paying for extra features they might not need. In conclusion, go with SEO Ranking if you want a comprehensive SEO suite to drive traffic and manage campaigns at scale, but choose Ranktracker if you need a lightweight, budget-friendly tools that keep rank tracking simple and effective. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.